Applying positive psychology in organizational settings has the potential to enhance workplace well-being, improve employee engagement, and foster a more productive and harmonious work environment. The principles of positive psychology provide tools for increasing job satisfaction, reducing workplace stress, and building a resilient and thriving workforce. Here's how positive psychology can be integrated into the workplace to achieve these outcomes. Enhancing workplace well-being. Workplace well-being is about more than just physical health or job satisfaction. It encompasses employees' emotional, mental, and social well-being. Positive psychology contributes to workplace well-being by promoting positive emotions, enhancing personal relationships, and encouraging a meaningful work life. Strategies include fostering positive leadership. Leaders who exhibit compassion, positivity, and authenticity are more likely to inspire their teams, foster loyalty, and reduce turnover rates. Positive leadership involves recognizing employees' efforts, celebrating team successes, and providing supportive feedback. Creating a strengths-based workplace. Identifying and leveraging the strengths of each employee can lead to more effective and satisfying work experiences. When individuals are allowed to work in areas where they can use their best strengths, they are generally more productive and more engaged. Promoting work-life balance. Encouraging a healthy balance between work and personal life helps prevent burnout and supports overall well-being. This can be facilitated by offering flexible working arrangements, supporting time off, and promoting physical activities and relaxation techniques during work hours. To effectively apply positive psychology in the workplace, organizations can implement specific programs and practices designed to enhance the psychological capital of their workforce. Psychological capital includes hope, efficacy, resilience, and optimism, HERO, and is strongly linked to improved job performance, job satisfaction, and work attitudes. Key applications include building resilient teams. Training programs focused on developing resilience can help teams better cope with workplace stressors and challenges. These programs typically teach employees how to adapt to change, bounce back from failures, and approach challenges with a growth mindset. Encouraging positive communication. Positive communication involves open, honest, and constructive dialogue. Workshops that teach active listening, empathy, and conflict resolution can enhance interpersonal relations and improve team collaboration. Implementing wellness programs. These might include initiatives such as mindfulness training, stress management workshops, and fitness programs. Wellness programs not only improve physical health, but also enhance mental well-being, leading to increased energy and reduced stress. Cultivating an appreciative culture. Using techniques such as gratitude exercises, where employees regularly reflect on and share what they appreciate about their job or coworkers, can boost morale and strengthen team bonds. Developing meaningful work. Help employees find personal significance in their work by aligning tasks with their values and interests whenever possible. This might involve job crafting, where employees are encouraged to shape their roles in ways that bring out their best work. Organizations that have successfully applied positive psychology principles often report not only higher employee satisfaction, but also improved productivity. For example, companies like Google have invested in employee support programs and leadership training that focus on employee strengths and fostering a positive work environment. These initiatives have been shown to improve engagement and innovation. Applying positive psychology in the workplace is not just about making employees happier, but about creating a more effective, efficient, and adaptable organization. By focusing on the well-being of employees, companies can cultivate a workforce that is not only more satisfied and less prone to burnout, but also more committed and proactive in contributing to the organization's success.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.